I don't know where you're going or when you're coming home. I left the keys under to our front door.
Different city every
For one
day.
more chance to hold you close. I don't know where you're going.
Let's go.
Just get your ass back home.
I'm trying, baby. Do you think I'd wanna go? And I like to be there with you, but you see, I'm on the road. Don't worry, I'm doing my thing. Killing stages, I run this tour from the road to the show to the after party. But when it's over, I'm done, I'm yours. I promise, girl. When I'm there, I swear I'm staying. We can do it 5 times a day. Yeah, they told me we're praying. But I had to call, cause I need to let you know the tour ain't over, we had to add one more show. Well, I knew you'd say that, yeah, baby, you ain't never gonna get this. I go from the bus to the stage, but you don't like me, this young and reckless, young and stupid, I get this, that's what it is when I'm on my grind. Where I spend my time, never looking for trouble, but it seems that it's all I find. You know that I get you, but this is who I am, and I'll see you soon, I know you don't give a damn. Just know that I hate the fact that you're alone. That's why I'm gonna get my ass back home.